Good evening and welcome to the Casual Chef's Kitchen. Enjoy the presentation. From the good old USA. Teriyaki dogs with grilled pineapple and casual chef pea salad. Morning mise en place. Just after prep. Here I am starting the bacon. Oh, it smells so good. Yum. And the finished bacon. Here's all the goodies for the pea salad. All the goodies except the dressings. Now we're adding the dressings and we'll mix. Here's the final pea salad. Here's the evening mise en place for the hot dogs. Starting a little bit of oil. Then I add a little bit of red onion and saute. I add the pineapple and some fresh ginger and then saute. I wrap the hot dogs with bacon. I get the hot dogs with bacon in the pan. Then I flip them. And here's the assembly line for the hot dogs. The hot dogs in the bun. Then they get dressed with the pineapple. And here's the final presentation for the evening. Thank you for joining me here at the Casual Chef's Kitchen. I hope you enjoyed the presentation. Have fun cooking.